Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's close to my heart and, I believe, to many of yours as well. Planning for outdoor wildlife. We're going to talk about how to attract birds, bees, and other beneficial creatures to your garden. So if you're a nature lover, a gardening enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys the soothing chirping of birds and the sight of butterflies fluttering around, this episode is for you. Let's start with the basics. Why should we even bother attracting wildlife to our gardens? Well, aside from the sheer joy of watching these creatures go about their daily lives, they also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our gardens. Birds, for instance, help control pests by feeding on insects. Bees and butterflies, on the other hand, are excellent pollinators, helping our plants to reproduce. So how do we make our gardens more appealing to these creatures? Firstly, let's talk about birds. One of the simplest ways to attract birds is by providing them with food. Bird feeders are a great start. You can fill them with seeds, nuts, and other treats that birds love. But remember, different species of birds have different dietary preferences. So do a little research on the types of birds in your area and what they like to eat. Water is another essential element. A bird bath or a small pond can be a great addition to your garden. Not only do birds need water to drink, but they also love to bathe and preen their feathers. Next, let's move on to bees. Bees are attracted to a variety of flowering plants. They particularly love plants with single, open flowers where they can easily access the nectar and pollen. Some bee-friendly plants include lavender, sunflowers, and poppies. But it's not just about the type of plants. Bees also need a place to nest. Some bees are solitary and prefer to nest in small holes in the ground or in wood. You can help them by leaving some areas of your garden undisturbed or by providing bee houses. Now, let's talk about butterflies. Like bees, butterflies are attracted to a variety of flowering plants. They particularly love plants with bright, colorful flowers. Some butterfly-friendly plants include milkweed, butterfly bush, and zinnias. Butterflies also need a place to lay their eggs. They usually do this on the underside of leaves, so make sure you have plenty of leafy plants in your garden. And let's not forget about other beneficial creatures like ladybugs, spiders, and frogs. These creatures help control pests in your garden. You can attract them by providing a variety of plants and habitats. For instance, ladybugs and spiders are attracted to plants with small flowers like dill and fennel. Frogs, on the other hand, need a water source like a pond or a wetland area. In conclusion, attracting wildlife to your garden is not only beneficial for the creatures themselves, but also for your garden. It helps maintain the health of your plants and adds a touch of beauty and tranquility to your outdoor space. Remember, it's all about providing the right food, water, and habitat. And most importantly, it's about creating a safe and welcoming environment for these creatures. So avoid using pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Instead, let nature take its course and enjoy the wonderful spectacle of wildlife in your garden. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I hope you found this episode informative and inspiring. Until next time, happy gardening,